practice. Okay, hi guys. Hello, first of all. Today, when I'm recording this video, it's a Saturday, it's a week off. That means I don't have any work today. I was thinking what to do, then I got this little plan. I needed some notebooks, so I had to go out, and I'm thinking of going to an art shop and buying some cheap basic watercolors which is available here. And we'll have some tea and we'll just roam around and then come back, do some painting with these paints which I get. So yeah, I'll take you along with me. Let's go. After doing some shopping and having tea in my favorite restaurant, Good Luck Cafe, which is a popular restaurant and a spot here in Pune, I was just going through the artists who sit here in the art corner. So this is a small area, small corner which is in front of the restaurant, and artists sit here and they draw on demand for the customers who comes by and request for their art. After spending some time here watching this amazing artists create beautiful works, I started towards home because it's already dark here. I got this amazing stuff which we will be opening it together in a minute. Hey guys, this is all I got today, and this is the star of our art haul, Camel Watercolors. It is a set of 18 colors which cost me around rupees 300, and roughly it is around $3. Now if you don't know about this brand, it's a very common and a popular brand in here in India. It's kind of nostalgic because it was a part of almost everybody's childhood. We have literally grown up using art materials from this brand. And along with it, I also got some notebooks and this sketchbook from Winsor Newton, which I will be using today for the artwork. Before starting anything, I just quickly wanted to write this down in this notebook because the earlier one which I was using for my YouTube ideas, I lost it, and this is a new one I got for myself. So my dear friends, are you ready to start with me? So we will be checking out all the colors from this set. We will also see how all the colors looks on paper, and we'll be making few small paintings to see and test all the watercolor techniques which we usually use. Okay, a quick note about this paints. It's mentioned artist quality watercolor cakes. Now let me tell you, this is mentioned as artist quality, but from experience I can tell that these are not a pure artist quality material. They don't mention what kind of binders they are using, so it's like mostly fillers and some pigments, which again I'm not sure what kind of pigments they are using. This box also calls out that this is ideal for outdoor paintings. 10 on 10 for that, because yeah, this box is very ideal to take it along with you for outdoor paintings. Coming to the paper which I am using, this is from Winsor Newton. I don't think so I have used any paper from this brand, and this is my first experience. This is 200 grams and 135 pounds, which is a mixed media paper. It's good for both wet and dry media. So this is our paper for today. Okay guys, I got this brush as well along with this set in a 300 rupees watercolor set. I got a brush too. This is also from Camel and it is in size 4. Very budget friendly brushes and colors from Camel, and I won't be using this brush for today's painting, but I saw a hair which is like longer than the other hair of the brush, so I couldn't stop myself from chopping it up before I keep it down. So yeah, it's done, and I'll just keep this aside for today. I'll use my old brushes, this water brush and this one from Escoda, which I have been using for a long time now. This is a size 6 and I have a size 10 as well, this one here. And these two sizes, size 6 and size 10, is a very basic and it must be a part of your collection. Okay guys, what do you think? I mean, I was really surprised by the result. It is quite good for beginners. Pigments are bright and it works very well in this mixed media paper. So yeah, about paper, again, my first experience was really good. I liked the sketchbook and I think I'll be using it a lot in future.